10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. Geography Unit 6, Water Resources. Which rivers are known as the rivers of North India? The Himalayan rivers. Which are the important rivers of North India? The Indus, the Ganges, and the Brahmaputra. Where does the river Indus or Sindhu rise? Mount Kailash in Tibet. Which are the tributaries of river Indus? Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi and Sutlej. Which is the largest river of India? The Ganga River. Where does the river Ganga rise? Gangotri Glacier. Which are the tributaries of river Ganga? Yamuna, Gagra, Gandak, Ramganga, Gomati, Sarada, Son and Kosi are the tributaries of river Ganga. Which is the longest tributary of river Ganga? The longest tributary of river Ganga is Yamuna. Where does the river Brahmaputra rise? Manasa Sarovar in Tibet. What are known as peninsular rivers? The rivers of South India are known as peninsular rivers. Which are the important rivers of South India? The important rivers of South India are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi. Which are the important east flowing rivers of South India? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri are the important east flowing rivers of South India. Where does the river Mahanadi rise? The river Mahanadi rises in Sivaha range. Which is the longest river in South India? The Godavari. Where does the river Godavari rise? Trayambaka. Where does the river Krishna rise? Mahabaleshwara. Which are the tributary of river Krishna? The tributary of river Krishna are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Koyna, Ghataprabha and Malaprabha. Where does the river Kaveri rise? Talakaveri in Kodagu. Which are the main tributaries of Kaveri? Hemavati, Simsha, Kapila, Arkavati, Lakshmana Tirtha, Suvarnavati and Bhavani are the main tributaries of Kaveri. Which are the important west flowing rivers of South India? Narmada and Tapi are the important west flowing rivers of South India. Where does the river Narmada rise? Amarakantak Hills. Where does the river Tapi rise? The river Tapi rises in Multai. Which are the short and swift west flowing rivers of South India? Sabarmati, Mandovi, Zuari, Bedti, Sharavati, Kali, Netravati and the Periyar. What is irrigation? The artificial supply of water for the purpose of agriculture is called irrigation. Which are the important types of irrigations found in India? Wells, canals and tanks. Name the types of irrigation which have been introduced recently. Sprinkler and drip irrigation are the types of irrigation which have been introduced recently. Name the types of wells, open wells and tube wells. Which nation has one of the world's largest canal systems? India. Who is responsible for the construction and maintenance of canals? The government is responsible for the construction and maintenance of canals. Which are the two types of canals? Inundation canals and perennial canals are the two types of canals. What is inundation canals? Water is drawn directly from the river without building dam is known as inundation canals. What is perennial canal? Dams are constructed across the rivers and water is stored in the reservoirs and used for agriculture through canals is known as perennial canal. What is tank irrigation? A tank is a natural or man-made reservoir on the earth's surface in which rainwater is collected. In recent years, the area under tank irrigation has been decreased. Why? Most of the tanks are non-perennial, so in recent years the area under tank irrigation has been decreased. Which is the first multipurpose river valley project of India? Damodar Valley Project. Which river valley project has been designed on the lines of Tennessee Valley Authority TVA in USA? Damodar Valley Project. Which river was called Sar of Bengal? Damodar river was called Sar of Bengal. Damodar river was called Sar of Bengal. Why? Because it was causing devastating floods during the rainy seasons and damaged crops and human settlements. Name the states who undertaken Damodar project jointly. Bihar and West Bengal. Name the states who undertaken Bakra Nangal project jointly. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Which is highest straight gravity dam in India? Bakra Dam. The Bakra Nangal River Valley project is built across which river? Sutlej. Name the reservoir created by the Bakra Dam. Gobind Sagar. Which is the most important multipurpose project of Odisha? Hirakud project. Which is the longest dam in India? Hirakud. Which is a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Tungabhadra project is a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Where is Tungabhadra project built? Mallapuram near Hospete in Bellary district of Karnataka. Name the reservoir created by Tungabhadra project. Pampasagara. Name the multipurpose river valley project in North Karnataka across river Krishna. Upper Krishna project. Which is the joint venture of India and Nepal. The Kosi project is the joint venture of India and Nepal. Where is the Kosi project built? Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. Which is the most important multipurpose river valley project of Uttar Pradesh? The Rihand Valley project. Name a tributary of the river Son. Rihand River. Name the reservoir created by the Rihand Valley project. Gobinda Balla Pant Sagar. Where is Nagarjuna Sagar project built? It is built across river Krishna near Nagarjuna Konda in Telangana.